If you're searching for a Hostinger coupon code with an extra 20% discount, there's one problem most people run into. They find dozens of offers but have no idea which one actually gives the better deal. To make things simple, you can click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. That automatically activates an extra 20% discount through my link, plus 3 extra months without needing to enter anything manually. Now, before you choose a plan, here's something worth knowing. A lot of Hostinger links online usually provide around a 10% extra discount, while this one unlocks a full 20% together with the additional months, which creates much stronger overall value. And if the prices shown on the page don't match your location, just use the flag icon at the top, select your country, and the pricing will instantly update for your region. For this Hostinger review, one thing that stands out is how easy it is to get started. The Hostinger website builder helps you create a professional-looking website without complicated setup steps, and the Hostinger AI website builder can assist with layouts and content ideas to speed up the process. You also get free SSL, a free domain, daily backups, and light-speed technology that helps improve loading performance. The dashboard is straightforward to use, which is especially helpful if you're building your first website. That balance between ease of use and performance is one reason many users consider Hostinger among the best web hosting options available today. Plus, every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything without risk. Tap the link in the description or scan the QR code. And if your website grows later, Hostinger also offers Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N. So if you want the extra 20% discount together with the 3 extra months, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now and activate the current offer.